Hello friends, today we will learn how to add shadow in Canva. It is very simple. If you don't know how, then watch this video completely. So first, open Canva. After it opens, click on custom size and set the width and height from here. Or after that, click on create new design. From here, take a background. I took this background. After that, take the image you want to apply the shadow to. Take the image twice. For that, I took the image again. I'll set it a little to the side. Click on transparency above the file. And to make the transparency lighter, see, I have come close to 50. After it's done, click on the position above. And on your left, there are many options provided. From here, click on backward. Look, a shadow of the picture has been formed. After it is done, click on the sides share and then click on download below. If you liked the video, then please like and subscribe.